morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about percent equations. So let's start. Remember, my dear students, we have talked about before the percent. When I say percent, this means what? This means per 100 over 100. And we can here know the percent by this sign. Okay, so today we are going to talk about what? To talk about the percent equation. How to find the part of a base. Okay, let's have an example here. Your class has raised 80% of its goal of $8,000 for a trip, okay, of Washington, D.C. How much money has your class raised for the trip? So guys, he asks me about the here percentage. Here we have got 80% of its goal, $8,000. So how can I find here how much money your class raised for the trip? So the rule here, we have a rule. It's A P percent times B. Okay, we have got here A equals what? Okay, the P percent here, the part of percent here is what? It's 80%. So 80% times what? Times base. So we got here 8,000. If I'm asking you guys 80% means 80 over 100. 80 over 100 means here 0 goes with 0. 8 divided 10 gives me 0.8. Gives me 0.8. So it will be 0.8 times 8,000. So it gives you what? 66,400. Okay, guys, easy. Let's have something here. When I multiply 8 here, multiplies here 8,000. Okay, guys, 8,000. So how can I do this? 8 times 8, 64, and we got 3 zeros. But remember here, we got here 1 decimal place. So go here 1 decimal place. So it will be 6,400.0. So it will be 6,400 because we are not going to use the calculators now. Okay, guys. What about this example? What percent of 150 is 90? Okay, listen to the question carefully. What percent of 150 is 90? So he asking me about the percent here. This is the question. What percent? So this is the required. I need to know what's the required in the rule. Of 150, so this is the base, is 90. So this will be my here rule, and I substituted what he asked me here. 90% equal what percent? This is the required of 150. So I need to get here the percent. So how can I get the percent? To get rid of the coefficient here, 150 divided 150, divided both sides by 150. So you got the percent will be, yes, we will simplify. Simplify mean divided by 30, divided by 30. What we divide down in the denominator, we divide it in the numerator. So you got here 90 divided 33, and 150 divided 30 gives me 5. Then I got here 3 over 5. Okay, what percent? The 3 over 5, how to convert? This is very important, how to convert the fraction, and we have taken this before. 3 over 5, how can I get it into what? Into percent. Percent means, yeah, this is important, percent. So I got here 100 down. 5 times what gives me 100? Remember, 5 times 20. So what I do down, I do up here times 20. So you got here 60 per, yes, per 100. So it's a 60, yes, percent. Excellent. And very easy, very easy. Let's have another example here, finding the base. The number 117 is 45 of what number? Listen to the question well. So the number of 117 is, okay, I'm here translating the question, is 45% of what number? So he asks me about the base. 45% of what number? So 45% of what number? So 45% of what number? So he asks me about the base. So 45% of what number? So 45% of what number? So he asks me about the base. 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 So he as So I need the base, so I will here divide both sides by 45, the coefficient. Okay, okay guys, 45 what percent? Remember, this is very important. 45% means what? Means 0.45. Okay, so I here converted the percentage into decimal to make it 117 divided here 0.45 will give you 260. Okay, by long division will give you 260. So B will be 260. Another example here, finding the commission. Okay, what are you talking about? Let's see together. Okay, a shoe salesperson sells a pair of shoes for $60. A shoe salesperson sells a pair of shoes for $60. The salesperson receives 9% commission on the sale. How much is the commission? Okay, guys, I'm a salesperson. I want to sell the shoe for you, but I'm going to take a commission. I'm going to take money for the, okay, for selling you your shoe. Okay, so how can, what's the commission here? What's the commission? How much money will I get? Okay, so A equals what? We know this is the rule, percent here, the part of the percent times the base. So A equal 9%, which is what I will tell you now, multiplies the base, which is 60. So 9% here, it means 9 divided 100%, remember. So will be here, we have 2 zeros, so I'm going to move how many movements? 2 movements, decimal points, then 0. So the answer here is for 9%, it will be 0.09 times 60, 9 times 6, 54, 54, and we got here 2 decimal places, go to the left, 2 decimal places, then put your decimal point. Okay, guys, here you are your practice book and some answers for your practice book. Okay, so 94 match here the question with the correct equation. Guys, please, after watching the video, try to solve the practice book. This is your homework, and you have your the end answers here to make sure that you have corrected your answers. Okay, you have correct answers. So 94 is 17% of what number? 94 is means equal 17%. 17%, it means 0.17 of what number, of what base? So it will be B here. What percent of 94 is 17? He asks me about the percent here. So the percent here is the required. So I write here percent. What number is 17% of 94? So he asks me about the numbers. So this is the required here. What number is 17%? It means 0.17 of here 94, and we have here the multiplication. It means here the decimal point here, it's not decimal, this point means multiply. Okay, guys, I hope you understood the lesson. If you have any question, please send me on the new SCL. Bye bye.